gone by. But tell me why so? What are the sector headwinds that you foresee, not just in the quarter gone by, but moving forward as well?
So, good morning to everyone, and thanks for having me on your show. So, if you look at the quarter one particularly, the sales have been, if you look at the industry-wide sales, the industry-wide sales has been down almost 25 to 30%. So that has been because of the early onset of monsoon, and historically, this particular period, the summer was not very strong. It was not very intense. The heat waves periods were very shorter. So the market demand did not pick up. So we did a cut in our revenue guidance for the complete year, because as we were proceeding into the quarter, we saw that the sales were good in the month of May. We were operating at a full capacity in month of April and May as well. And June also, as we moved into month of June, we realized that the brands were cutting down on their orders, and there was no lifting happening from them. And as we moved ahead in month of July, also we saw that there is no rebound in the sales, and so we have to cut our guidance for that. So we feel this is a one-time seasonal affair, and every 2 years, 3 years, if you look at the AC season, it always happens every 2-3 years. It's like that. It's not a very big issue, but definitely it has impacted the growth expectation that we were having earlier.
Oh yeah, absolutely. It's been an early onset of monsoon, and it's been elongated a patch at that. So since you say that this is the one-off and this is seasonal, when do you actually see a revival in your volumes kick in? Because now we're going to enter into the winter period.
So what happens typically for the EMS company, for a contract manufacturer like us, the production ramp-up starts happening in month of November and December. So we are expecting that the ramp-up for the production will start happening in the month of November and December. And as there is a rating label change as well, there will be certain pre-build in the month of November, December to have some kind of inventory at a older rating label in the market. And I feel there will be a pre-build, and the demand should normalize for the coming season. We are hoping that.
Along with that, we believe that there has been a sharp order cancellation as well, almost a 70% decline over there. But do you anticipate more order cancellations going ahead as well, given the fact that you also highlighted that the inventory in the system is quite very high at this point in time?
So, Srishti, what we feel as particularly the inventory is going to normalize in month of November or December. We are already in active discussions with our clients, with our other partners, brand partners, to see what will be their product lineup. We are already working on the complete lineup for the summer of 2026. We are already working on that. We feel that the market should recover. It's a one-off season that has gone bad. If you look at the long-term trajectory for the AC business, it is very robust, very strong, because the penetration level of this product is very low if you look at the global averages. So we have to see at a long-term trajectory for this business.
As the sector you operate in, of late has seen a lot of headwinds, if you could call it that. It could be raw material pricing, is it operating leverage, or is it large clients that are as of now holding their orders? Which of these is weighing heavy on the sector according to you, or is it a fair mix of all of these right now?
So, Snehi, I would say it's a fair mix of all these factors. So if you look at the demand has not played out well. There is an exchange rate which is not in favor of us. So and the commodity prices also are not supporting us. So all these are creating a headwinds. But we need to see again. I'm saying again, we need to see a long-term potential of the business. This is a one-off season. If you look at the last year also the market performed in a positive way beyond our expectations. This year, unfortunately, the market demand has played out beyond our expectations in a negative sense. So we need to look at in that sense.
Vikas, give me some color on what's happening in the overall industry. I understand the pain points for your company, but you think the entire sector And your peers as well are facing the same issues?
So I see, please look at, yes, definitely, it's a pertinent question that you have asked. Industry as a whole has degrown 25 to 30%. If you look at the peer group or the brands that we support, the brands that we work with, everybody has reported a degrowth of 25 to 30%. On top of that, our company has been able to deliver a revenue growth of 14% in this quarter. So, in fact, it tells you about the resilience of our business model, tells about the strength of our client relationships that we have.
But Vikash, I would like to thank you now for taking the time out and speaking with us and helping us with your perspective on what's really happening within your space. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you.
All right, so that was the management of PG Electroplast talking about that the inventory in the system is quite very high, but he's expecting all of that to normalize, and even the demand is expected to inch up as